This is Jeff with Ability Lock and Key. I'm sitting inside a Honda CR-V 2022 model. What happens if you step inside your vehicle and you push the start button and nothing happens? Possibly your battery in your remote is dead. In that situation, you would take the remote and you would use the back of the remote to push your start button, and the vehicle will start. Don't want to be stranded in the mountains and not know how to start your vehicle. There are other vehicles out there, General Motors, they'll have sometimes a pocket in the center console. Ford, sometimes you have to lift the cup holder to lay the fob in there, but all these vehicles that are using the proximity keys use a slot, or in Honda's case, they just use the button itself as an emergency start procedure, because batteries don't last forever. Now I've got this battery here I'm going to put in here. Also, with that in mind, what would happen is if you got outside of your vehicle and it was locked and you're pushing the buttons and nothing happens, that's why you have an emergency key to put in and to let you into the vehicle. What we're going to do here, I purposely took the battery out of this one because it needed replacing. This is actually my sister's car. So I'm going to pop this open. I'm going to insert a new battery. Seal that together. Now how I pop that open is I slid her key out, the emergency key out, and there's a little place right here that you can press that in between and then just twist, and then it pops open and allows you access to the battery. That's a CR2032 battery, very common in a lot of vehicles. So now with that, we are able to awkwardly snap that back together. I'm going to put our emergency key back in, and now at this point, the car starts without me touching the start button with the battery. Hope this helps you people understand in these situations how this can work to your favor and you're not stranded calling a tow truck driver. So remember, you can't change the past, so live for today and plan for tomorrow.